Are you looking for the best night vision scopes under $1,000? In this video we will look at some of the best night vision scopes under $1,000 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Firefield NVRS 3x42 Night Vision Riflescope. If you're looking for a night vision scope under $1,000, it's hard to beat the Firefield NVRS Night Vision Riflescope. It gives you crystal clear optics and has an adjustable brightness reticle that makes it easier than ever to hit your target. The AA batteries that it uses to operate are easy to replace, so you won't be dreading your scope running out of juice. However, for everything that this optic does right, it's not perfect. For starters, it only has a magnification setting at x3, and it's on the heavier side, even for a night vision scope, but it still earns our top nod as a night vision scope under $1,000, and it even lets you keep extra spending money to get everything professionally mounted. At number 2, Sightmark Wraith HD Digital Riflescope. An outstanding choice is the Sightmark Wraith HD Digital Riflescope. What sets this scope apart is that it can take and record both photos and videos. That said, it has a much sharper field of view. Also, the second focal plane reticle can be difficult for novices to use. But this scope does have two different magnification ranges to choose from and daytime and nighttime modes, so you can use this scope whenever you head out. At number 3, Night Owl Optics Night Vision Riflescope. The Night Owl Optics Night Vision Riflescope is an excellent choice at a great price. There are 3 different reticle options that you can cycle through. Additionally, it utilizes AA batteries that are easy to replace, so packing a few extra batteries and replacing them when needed is no big deal. However, it only has one magnification option at 3x. This limits its effective range to about 90 meters, which is definitely on the shorter side. At number 4, Bestsight DIY Digital Night Vision Scope. If you want to broadcast your view to the group, the Bestsight DIY Digital Night Vision Scope is a great choice. Keep in mind that this is not a traditional scope. In fact, you'll need a traditional rifle scope to connect this to. That said, it's an extremely affordable option that enables you to convert your view to night vision and broadcast it onto a 5-inch screen for the group to see. Even better, it is a quick adjustment focus ring that allows you to get optimal clarity even as you switch magnification ranges on your scope. It's a great attachment, but it's not a full night vision scope. At number 5, Sniper Night Vision Scope. This scope is perfect if you're looking for a night vision scope with outstanding range and the ability to record in 1080p. Even better, the 300-meter range is among the best that you'll find at this price point. Still, it's closer to the top end of the price range, and there's no doubt that this scope is more about broadcasting what you see than taking shots. However, if the lack of versatility doesn't bother you and you're looking for a night vision scope for broadcasting alone, this could be your top choice. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.